Hey guys, T here. Today on Cool Things, I'm going to show you something really wacky. It's a BeanX green bean cutter. It cuts green beans into what's called French cut. You slide your green bean through here. It's got two cutters in there, and it cuts a green bean into three pieces, three long slivers, just like the French like, I guess. It's got a cutter up here too, I guess, if you want to make it semi-French. So anyway, we're going to take a look at this. It needs a little bit of a repair. It's got a spring here on this side, but it's missing a spring on this side. So we're going to see if we can't use our old hardware spring and fix it. We'll see. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get cutting some green beans. So we got this spring from the hardware store. It sort of matches the spring we got on the bean cutter. Let's try it with a green bean. So now we have it, a green bean cutter by B.